Hi there, this is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SMS College of Technology. As a continuation of the previous video of unsustainable to sustainable development, we're going to see about the strategies of water conservation. Reducing evaporation losses. In humid region, evaporation loss can be reduced by placing horizontal barriers of asphalt below the soil surface that increases the water availability in crop yield. The next, reducing irrigation losses, sprinkling irrigation, drip irrigation, hybrid crop varieties, irrigation in early morning and in late evening. So these are few techniques which can be adopted for irrigation and reuse of water. So treated wastewater used for fertile irrigation. Grey water from the washing bathrooms can be used for washing cars and watering gardens. Preventing wastage of water, closing the tap when no in use, repairing the leakage from pipes using small capacity taps, decreasing runoff losses, counter cultivation, terrace farming. Avoid discharge of sewage. Discharge of sewage into natural sources of water should be avoided. Methods of conservation. Many methods are available, but the following two are very important. Rainwater harvesting, capturing and storing of rainwater for the future utilization. Needs or objective for this to meet the increasing demands of water, to raise the water table, to reduce the groundwater contamination, to reduce the surface runoff loss, to reduce stormwater runoff, soil erosion, to minimize water crisis, water conflicts. So this is a diagram which represents the rainwater harvesting in the various regions, and there is in the right side it is the rainwater harvesting in a village as a whole. How the rainwater is harvested using a big catchment area. So you have a supply channel over here, and there is a grid chamber that is present, and the water is spread in the area, and the filter chamber, there is also a filter chamber, and there is a well through which the people can take the filtered water. So concept of rainwater harvesting, it involves collecting water that falls on the roof of the house during rainstorms. It varies with the size and the texture of the catchment area. Method or type of rainwater harvesting. Rooftop rainwater harvesting method, rainwater harvesting in catchment area. So these are the very famous methods of the method of harvesting the rainwater. We can see in the diagram you have the tanks in the individual houses, and small community tank is also present in the certain areas, and there is large community tank where the water, that is the village tank, where the water of the whole village area that is collected over there, and you have a well. So advantages, reduction in use of current for pumping water, increasing the availability of water from well, rise in the groundwater level, minimizing the soil erosion and flood hazards, upgrading the social and environmental status, future generation is assured of water. So other method is the watershed management, WSM. So watershed or drainage basin, it is defined as the land area from which water drains under the influence of gravity into a stream, lake, reservoir or other body of surface water. How do you manage a watershed? That is, the management of the rainfall and resultant runoff is called the watershed management. It involves conservation, regeneration and proper use. And you can see the diagram of the watershed management. So factors affecting the watershed, there are certain factors, that is, they degraded due to uncontrolled, unplanned and unscientific land usage. Overgrazing, deforestation, mining, construction activities also affects watersheds. Drought climates also affects the watershed. So various civil structure can improve groundwater storage, trenches to improve the groundwater storage, earthen dam or stone embankment check the runoff water, form pond is also there to improve the water storage capacity, underground barriers to raise the water table. So these are the different techniques or the methods in the watershed management. Maintenance of watershed is a very important one. So water harvesting, afforestation and agroforestry, reducing soil erosion, scientific mining and quarrying, public participation, minimizing livestock population. Thank you.